Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the stunning beach fashion choices of the one and only Amala Paul. Known for her impeccable style, the South Indian actress effortlessly combines comfort and glamour. Let's get started. First up, we have Amala rocking a classic beach look with a black flowy maxi dress. The simplicity of the outfit allows her to showcase her natural beauty while enjoying the sun and sand. Let's talk about her swimsuit game. Whether it's a vibrant one-piece or a trendy bikini, she knows how to make a splash. Her choice of swimwear not only complements her figure but also adds a touch of elegance to the beach vibes. Walking along the shoreline, the actress is often spotted in stylish cover-ups. From sheer sarongs to bohemian kaftans, she effortlessly transitions from beach to boardwalk, proving that fashion can seamlessly blend with comfort. Accessorizing is key, and Amala doesn't hold back. Oversized sunglasses, floppy hats, and statement jewelry are her go-to beach accessories, elevating her looks to a whole new level. As the sun sets, she embraces evening beach glamour. Picture her in a chic sundress or a jumpsuit paired with stylish sandals. It's all about embracing the laid-back yet sophisticated coastal vibe. When it comes to beach lounging, Amala often opts for breezy jumpsuits or rompers. These effortlessly chic one-pieces not only keep her comfortable but also showcase her trendy yet relaxed style. No beach look is complete without the perfect hairstyle, and she knows this well. Whether it's loose waves, a high ponytail, or a messy bun, her hair always complements the carefree beach atmosphere. For the fitness enthusiasts hitting the beach, Amala's got you covered. She's often seen in stylish and functional activewear, proving that you can be both fashionable and active on the sandy shores. As the sun dips below the horizon, the actress effortlessly transitions into evening beachwear. Picture her in a stunning sundress adorned with intricate embroidery or a flowy maxi skirt paired with a chic off-shoulder top. These choices showcase her ability to blend elegance with the laid-back beach atmosphere. Her beach party outfits are nothing short of showstoppers. From glamorous sequin dresses to playful two-piece sets, she knows how to make a statement while dancing under the moonlight. It's all about embracing the coastal nightlife in style. She's also an advocate for sustainable fashion. Amala keeps it fresh and minimal for the beach, focusing on sun-kissed skin, light eyeshadow, and a pop of color on the lips. Her makeup choices perfectly complement the natural beauty of the seaside surroundings. Whether she's paddleboarding, playing beach volleyball, or simply strolling along the shore, Amala's practical yet stylish activewear choices prove that you can be active and fashionable simultaneously. Amala's bikini collection is a sight to behold. From classic solid colors to vibrant prints, she effortlessly rocks different styles. Whether it's a stylish two-piece or a trendy high-waisted bikini, she knows how to curate a beach-ready wardrobe. She doesn't shy away from embracing current trends either. High-cut bottoms, intricate cutouts, and off-shoulder bikini tops, the actress incorporates the latest styles, proving that she's not just a trendsetter on screen but also on the beach. One of the most inspiring aspects of her beach looks is her celebration of body positivity. She confidently embraces her natural self, sending a powerful message that beauty comes in all shapes and sizes. It's a reminder to feel comfortable and beautiful in your own skin. To complement her bikinis, Amala often adds stylish cover-ups to her beach ensemble. Whether it's a sheer sarong, a flowy kimono, or a crochet dress, these additions not only add flair but also provide a bit of coverage for those strolls along the shoreline. Amala often showcases her creativity by mixing and matching bikini tops and bottoms. The actress proves that bikinis with eye-catching prints can add a playful and dynamic touch to your beach look. Amala often adds stylish sunglasses, floppy hats, or layered necklaces to complete her beach attire. It's all about the details that make a difference. Her beach makeup is all about that natural glow. She often opts for lightweight, dewy foundations, allowing her skin to breathe while providing a luminous finish. It's the perfect canvas for a day by the sea. Sun protection is a non-negotiable for Amala. She emphasizes the importance of sunscreen to shield her skin from harmful UV rays. It's a beauty essential that not only protects but also ensures her makeup stays flawless throughout the beach day. When it comes to eyes, Amala keeps it simple. A touch of waterproof mascara and maybe a subtle eyeshadow in earthy tones enhance her features without being too heavy. It's about embracing that au naturel look. Her lip choices for the beach are varied. From tinted lip balms to sheer glosses, she leans towards hydrating formulas that add a hint of color without feeling too heavy. The focus is on effortless beauty. To refresh her look during the day, Amala often carries a facial mist. She effortlessly combines comfort and style with flowy maxi dresses in vibrant hues. These dresses not only capture the essence of summer but also provide the perfect canvas for her beachy accessories. Whether it's a floral print or a solid color, the actress rocks the maxi dress trend flawlessly. The airy silhouettes not only keep her cool under the sun but also add a touch of elegance to her beach look. She embraces a variety of styles, from classic one-pieces to trendy bikinis. What sets her apart is her keen eye for choosing swimwear that complements her body shape and exudes confidence. Her swimwear choices are all about embracing her curves and celebrating her individuality. Whether it's a retro-inspired high-waisted bikini or a sleek one-shoulder swimsuit, she knows how to make a splash with style. She loves to play with oversized hats, statement sunglasses, and bohemian jewelry. These accessories not only elevate her ensemble but also provide that extra touch of glamour. Amala effortlessly transitions from beach to boardwalk with these versatile cover-ups. They not only provide a touch of modesty but also contribute to the overall aesthetic of her beach ensemble, making her style both practical and fashionable. Her beach fashion journey wouldn't be complete without mentioning her footwear choices. While strolling along the sandy shores, she often opts for comfortable yet stylish sandals. From strappy flats to espadrilles, the actress proves that practicality can coexist with fashion. Her footwear choices showcase a balance between comfort and trendiness, allowing her to navigate the beach terrain with ease while maintaining a chic appearance. It's a subtle yet crucial aspect of her overall beach style. She keeps it light and natural, opting for dewy skin, minimal makeup, and effortless beach waves. This laid-back approach to beauty perfectly complements her relaxed beach vibes. Her makeup and hair choices are a testament to her understanding of the beach aesthetic. It's all about embracing a carefree look that enhances her features without overpowering the natural beauty of the seaside setting. She effortlessly matches the style of her bag to the overall vibe of her outfit, showcasing her attention to detail and fashion-forward thinking. One of the standout features of her beach wardrobe is her fearless approach to prints. From bold florals to tropical motifs, she fearlessly experiments with patterns, adding a playful and vibrant touch to her beachwear. Amala proves that beach fashion is the perfect canvas for expressing individuality through prints. Her bold choices inspire us to embrace the joy of experimenting with patterns and colors, making every beach day a fashion adventure. In an era of conscious fashion, the actress sets an example by incorporating sustainable swimwear into her beach looks. Whether it's eco-friendly fabrics or swimwear from ethical brands, she demonstrates that style and sustainability can go hand in hand. Her commitment to environmentally conscious fashion is not only commendable but also a reminder that we can make thoughtful choices without compromising on style, even at the beach. Amala Paul effortlessly transitions from a day at the beach to a stylish night out. She achieves this by incorporating versatile pieces like convertible dresses, which can go from beachwear to evening chic with just a few adjustments. Her ability to seamlessly blend casual beach vibes with nighttime glamour showcases her fashion prowess and strategic wardrobe choices, inspiring us to maximize the versatility of our own summer wardrobes. The actress embraces bohemian vibes in her beach fashion, often seen in flowy kaftans, crochet tops, and layered accessories. This boho chic aesthetic adds an artistic and free-spirited touch to her beach looks, creating an effortlessly stylish ensemble. Her bohemian choices reflect a carefree attitude towards fashion, encouraging us to embrace our individuality and express ourselves through eclectic styles even when by the sea. She often adds personal touches to her beachwear, whether it's custom embroidery, beading, or tie-dye. These unique modifications transform basic pieces into personalized fashion statements. Her hands-on approach to fashion not only reflects her creativity but also inspires us to explore our own artistic side and make our beach outfits truly one of a kind. Amala's versatile hairstyles not only enhance her overall look but also serve as inspiration for those seeking stylish yet low-maintenance options for their beach outings. In addition to her fashionable ensembles, Amala emphasizes the importance of sun protection. She's often spotted with wide-brimmed hats, UV protective sunglasses, and high SPF sunscreen, proving that staying safe under the sun can be seamlessly integrated into a trendy beach look. Her commitment to sun safety reinforces the idea that fashion and health can go hand in hand, encouraging us to prioritize sun protection as an essential component of our beach fashion. Amala's mix and match mastery is another aspect of her beach fashion that deserves recognition. She artfully combines different pieces, creating diverse outfits from a limited wardrobe. This approach not only showcases her creativity but also promotes sustainability in fashion. Her mix and match philosophy inspires us to curate versatile wardrobes, making the most of each piece and minimizing our environmental impact without compromising on style. Amala adapts her beach fashion to different destinations, incorporating local styles and cultural influences. Whether it's a tropical paradise or a Mediterranean retreat, she embraces the essence of each location, demonstrating a nuanced understanding of destination-specific styles. Her ability to tailor her beach fashion to various destinations not only showcases her cultural awareness but also serves as a guide for anyone seeking inspiration for their beach vacations. And there you have it, Amala Paul's beach fashion choices decoded. Which look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.